Hello. Today I want to show you how you're able to add a subheader to your Power Table. So this is your default Power Table, and I'm pulling accounts from Salesforce. And you can see that we have a header that tells us what each column is. But let's say that you want to specify that the annual revenue is from last year. So you go to the settings for your Power Table. You go to content, edit mapping. And for the annual revenue, we click on the three dots and we select add subheader. So we can say year 2021. And then we specify again that it was the annual revenue. You can do this for any of your columns, but just for the example, we're doing this one. Let's apply, save, and preview. Now your annual revenue column has a subheader. Let me add another one. Let's say I want to specify that I'm the owner for the accounts. So I would say account owner and my initials. Let's save and preview. Oh, I forgot to specify the column again. Let's go make that change real quick. And this is account name. Apply, save and preview. So now you can see that we added subheaders to these two columns. You can do that for any of your columns. It's really up to you and your personal preference.